160 and 240. So now we're jumping a line. So there's normally the 160, which is the most compact version of the Henrys. Then there's 200, which is the original Henry. It's been around forever. It's your typical Henry. And then is the 240. Now, here's the thing. The 160 is the newest of all. It's really meant to be used because it's the smallest, most compact. It's meant to be user-friendly for home use, for residential use. Whereas the 240, because it's the largest of all, has the longest cord, has the largest dust capacities, typically best used in commercial applications. But there's commercial cleaning companies, offices, gyms, whatever. So they actually have the same motor and they have the same floor head and hose and attachments. That doesn't change. It's just the 160 is just a lot easier around the house. The 240 has the capacity and the cord length for commercial.